Before we proceed, please note that this video is made by AI, but all the content is manually researched by our team, and it's not AI generated. Are you facing the DayZ Error Code 0x00040046? It's a common issue that happens when you try to join servers, and it can be incredibly frustrating. But don't worry, we've got some potential solutions for you. This error message typically reads as, "You were kicked off the game, login error, connection failed. This account is already connected to a different server." You might have found that the game was running perfectly fine, and then suddenly you're kicked out, and this error pops up when you try to get back in. From our research, it seems that this error can occur due to issues with saved data and servers, or if the servers are experiencing some temporary problems. So how do you fix this issue? Well, the first potential solution is to try joining other servers. Many players have reported success with this method. You'll need to close the game, restart your device and your internet, and then try to join a different server. The next fix involves a workaround that was shared by a user on Reddit. The idea is to try entering the server, but before the entry timer ends, hit cancel. After that, try logging in again to see if the issue has been resolved. The third fix is a bit more involved. You'll need to go to the last server you played or logged into. Once there, kill your character, but be sure not to press respawn. Then log out and try entering other servers. If you're playing on a PlayStation console, the fourth fix might be the one for you. Consider deleting the saved data file and then restarting your console. Afterward, check to see if the error has been resolved. Finally, if none of the above solutions work, it might be a good idea to simply wait. Some players have reported that the error disappeared after waiting for around half an hour to an hour. In summary, the DayZ Error Code 0x00040046 can be a major inconvenience, but there are a number of potential fixes you can try. These include joining other servers using a workaround shared by a Reddit user, killing your character in the last server you played, deleting the saved data file on a PlayStation console, or simply waiting for the error to resolve itself. With some luck, one of these methods will get you back in the game in no time. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe. It will be a great support. And for more tech updates, visit Quaries.com.